What have been some of your goals for this year? One of mine has been to learn how to sew, and I saw this beautiful floral dress which I had to recreate. So to start off with, I used a dress I already had as an outline to cut out the pre-washed fabric. My initial plan was to make my own spaghetti straps, but I decided to use thin elastic in the end. You can also create your own dress pattern, which I decided to do for future edits. The fabric is quite thick, but for some reason I thought lining the dress made sense. So I'm pinning the front part of the dress to the front lining piece, right sides together, with the elastic strap wedged in between, and sew along the neckline 1/4 of an inch. Next step is to sew an edge stitch on the lining fabric, as it keeps the lining to the inside of the garment. I flip the dress over and press the seam allowance toward the lining. I will then top stitch 1/8 of an inch, which will catch the 1/4 inch seam allowance that I did initially. I do the same for the back piece and then stitch both the front and back right sides together using a zigzag stitch, as this is stretch fabric. Have you ever started something and thought, oh, I so wanted to stop at this point. I had ruined a perfectly good white dress, but there was this little voice that told me to keep on going. Plus, there was no way out. It was onwards and upwards. Hey, I thought this would take a couple of hours, more like a couple of days, but I stuck to it, so let's see how it turned out.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs. In my stomach there's a pain, you walk in my direction, I go the other way.
I am so pleased with the final results, and I even went to the spa to test it outside. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and do subscribe to catch the next video, and I'll see you soon.